Lil Uzi Vert, aka Lucifer, special boy. I see you say you making them city girls believe in Satan. But guess what though? Guess what I think though? Guess what I think though? I say that JT was already under Satan army. What you mean you making her believe in Satan? She was already doing evil shit. What you mean? She came in the game a criminal. It wasn't that hard. You acting like you turned Yolanda Adams. You ain't flip Yolanda Adams. You ain't flip no child of God. You don't brag on that. Satan, he do not get no credit for that. JT, flip Mary. You can't make them, you can't turn them to Satan children. Yeah, Mary, yeah. Yolanda Adams, yeah, them, the good Christian girls, yeah, gospel girls. You ain't did none of that. Yeah, you can't rock a church crowd. Yeah, you won't go to the BET Gospel Awards and rock that crowd. You ain't made none of them believe in Satan, and you know what I mean by believe. I ain't talking about they know he real. I'm talking about really worship him. He ain't did none of that. So until you make Kirk Franklin say, yeah, Satan, yeah, you the master, then they don't make Satan happy? You think they make Satan happy because you done flip his own children? Wow, now she under whatever, you Freemason, whatever you is, yeah, wow, she under that now. But she was already a city girl. She was already talking about prostitution, lust, and all the other scenes. Yeah, so what you mean? Don't act like you didn't put in no work. You ain't put in no work. You will never be over Eminem. You will never be over Eminem. You know what I mean? The white children, Eminem that sunk to the hellfire. You think you're gonna be over Eminem? Did you see Eminem last album cover? Ooh, look what the masses did for him. Look what the elite did for Eminem. Lil Uzi, you'll always be number 2 or number 3 or number 4, number 5. You'll never be top dog. And look at you, you gotta look like, pretend like you say you gotta put the makeup on and the eyes, all of that. Eminem, he ain't gotta do none of that dumb. The real top leaders, they ain't gotta do none of that dumb. You gotta dress like them and look like them and say crazy shit at your shows and do all this demon stuff at your shows and all that. You just a puppet. You ain't no big dog. You ain't no big dog. The real big dog, they ain't gotta do none of that dumb. See, I know your kind. You came up. This what you was doing when you was little. You from Philly, yeah. You from a wild place, but you used to be in your room watching MTV, watching Marilyn Manson. Yeah, looking up to him. Ooh, I want tattoos like that. Ooh, you looking at Kiss. Ooh, I'm gonna put lipstick on. I wanna make myself look like Lucifer. Yeah, sweet dreams are made of real. Yeah, that's what you like. Yeah, that's your God. That's your leader. That's who you look up to. But they don't like you. They ain't got no song with you. They don't hang with you. Yeah, you still a nigga. Yeah, black nigga, brown nigga, evil nigga, Satan nigga, God nigga, style nigga. Marley Manson don't want you hanging with him. Yeah, you ain't hanging with Eminem. You ain't hanging with the top leaders and the Masons. Yeah, I don't see you with them. Yeah, you ain't hanging with what's that girl, that witch, I forgot her name, that the Migos with. You ain't with her. Yeah. You ain't no cannibal. This way you so evil, Lil Uzi Vert, but look what the elite put you at. All you do is deliver the message. You ain't step your rituals up. Yeah, where your body count at? Where your sacrifices at? Who is JT? She was already on the boat. What you mean? Come on, man. All you doing is rapping and preaching hate. You just a message boy. You ain't no top rank. Yeah, you swear you so evil. You so top rank. But look where they put you at. You the message boy. Look where the elite put you at. They want you to lead all the children to the hellfire. They ain't put you as no top ranking. Yeah, that's how you gonna get in the door. That's how you gonna get in the hellfire. You just bring everybody on the boat. You the one who sing. You the one who on the Titanic when the band kept playing. That's you. Yeah, you ain't top rank. You ain't over Eminem. You ain't over Marilyn Manson. Everybody you look up to, you under them. You ain't better than. You think I put you over Charles Manson? He had people killed for him, put the blood all over the wall. You ain't Charles Manson. Yeah, you ain't over them. You ain't more evil than Ted Bundy. Yeah, you ain't scary looking. You gotta put all that makeup on to be scary. Yeah, to make people think you crazy and real evil. You gotta put all that makeup on with it, jump up and down, to say crazy stuff on the mic. But your actions don't really say Satan. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas see you still swing on you. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody really scared of you. You know what I'm saying? So, step your rituals up. You swear you so, step your rituals up. When you see you do nothing, everybody in your family still living. How deep is you in it? Yeah. So you can keep playing crazy. Can your head spin all the way around? Can your head spin all the way around? Take your eyeball out. You might well lose your eye like Charleston, pop your eyeball out so you look crazy. Yeah, Uzi. All I'm saying is, like, if you really for Satan and you really about your sacrifices and rituals and all that stuff, man, it's time for you to, make it more believable. Yeah, your mama, your daddy, your family. Let's watch them disappear. Show us that you really for Satan. Show us, since you want to go down that road, sacrifice your family. Let us see somebody in your family that you love go away. How deep is you in it? Yeah, don't flip no city girl. Flip your mama. Flip your daddy. Flip your grandma if they still living. Yeah. Flip them. Not no chick that's already pushing evil too. Just cause she, look like she looks, she going to the hellfire too. She can't get it. She can't write them lyrics in front of Jesus or Allah and get in the door of Buddha and get in the heaven gate. She can't write them lyrics. None of her lyrics. None of them. She ain't got no dear mama. Yeah, she ain't got one of them. She ain't got no keep your head up. She ain't telling no women who got molested or the R word by a man or one man or got beaten or mistreated to keep your head up or it's gonna be all right or I love you or nothing like that. So she ain't got none of them songs or no interviews or no speeches, nothing. So what you mean? Yeah. Show us something, man. We want to believe you. Show us something. All these upside down crosses, tattoos, man. Charles Manson and all them, they already did it to the highest form. So when they was doing it, they actually putting in work. You doing it, you just singing. Yeah, you can, fill 30,000, a stadium full of 30,000 people or 50,000. Yeah. But that don't mean that they really believe in Satan. They just like your songs. They don't mean that. You know what I'm saying? They just, they like that type of music, because you couldn't fill 50,000. Them arenas, look what kind of people that's in them. It's not your kind of people. It's not the hood. It's not the hood. It's not your kind of people. There's no fans not coming to see you because you worship the devil or you done sold your soul, alleged. They coming to see you because you got them songs. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all. Like, you could dress and look crazy all you want, but yeah, you probably did sold your soul and all that stuff, but you ain't got no choice. You had a choice, but you wanted to be one of them top dogs. And look what they put you at. It's the messiest boy. They put you as the messiest boy. Here, black boy, make sure you keep my own children on the boat. Because that's all you doing. We ain't really bringing no Christian, Muslim type children on that boat with you. Them same fans is at your shows. They was at Eminem show. They was at Limp Bizkit show. They was at Marlon Manson show. They was at all Ozzy Osbourne shows. Yeah, they just start coming to your show. You ain't turn them fans evil. They been liking that type rock and roll, evil type music. You ain't got the streets of Philly in there. You ain't got the streets of Atlanta, the streets of Charlotte, New Orleans, Houston, Memphis. You ain't got no new set of children. Yeah, the same white kids. They been liking that evil type music. You ain't flipping nobody righteous. They been liking that evil music, Uzi. So, how much rank do you think that you know what I'm saying? Yeah, them kids going to shooting up those schools. They were saying they listen to Eminem and Marlon Manson. They ain't say they listen to you. Ain't nobody did no evil act say they listen to you. So, yeah, you could be making the elite smile, but who's to say that you really making Satan smile? Yeah, he see that you want to be like him. That's a lot of guys want to be like him. So, yeah, you is doing your job for us, like what the elite wants you to do. You know what I'm saying? Show the image, push the message. Like, that's it. How much rank do you get for that? Yeah, you gonna get, your reward is, you get to come to the meetings, you get to be in them rooms, and you get to be Lil Uzi Vert. That's it. That's it. But you ain't finna be over Beyonce or Jay-Z or Eminem. None of the big dogs. Or P. Diddy. You will always be under them. And that man Lil Uzi Vert said, I made a city girl believe in Satan. Like, that's a church girl. She's a city girl. It's not that hard. The word went crazy. That don't mean nothing. Because you made a city girl who sell coochie and steal clothes and break the law and go to prison, believe in Satan. Huh? Oh, man, get the hell out of here. I'm gone, man.